Hi everyone, welcome to Crafternoon. My name is Emily and today we are going to be making these bugs out of recycled paper towel rolls or toilet paper rolls. So you're going to need 2 rolls, a bunch of construction paper, and maybe some googly eyes, or you can use markers. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a couple of toilet paper rolls. I've painted one of them black already, but if you don't have it already black, you can also wrap it with some construction paper. So I'm going to first show you how to make the bee, and this will explain kind of what I mean by wrapping it with construction paper. So I've got my yellow paper, my toilet paper roll. I'm just going to right here measure out about how tall it is. Mark it, and you're going to cut a strip. I have paper cutters here, which will just make it go a little faster, but again, you can use scissors. All right. Measure that out. Okay, and then you're going to glue it. Just glue it down. Okay, I've got my glue stick right here. And I don't think you need to put glue on the entire thing. Just enough to get you started. Probably along the edges is more important. Okay. And I'm just going to cut off the extra. And glue this together. Hold it for a second. There we go. Next we need the stripes. Okay, I'm going to use my paper cutter again, but you can use a pair of scissors. I'm going to cut maybe 3 strips. Okay. Now we want to leave room for the head. So you're going to start maybe just over the halfway mark. You just kind of measure it out too. There you go. Just a tiny bit of glue here. Let's just start it on the same edge there. Cut off the extra. Right, and repeat. This is also another great way to get rid of any extra construction paper or just papers in general that you may have. Okay, so that's 2, and we're going to do 1 more. wrap it right on the bottom there and cut off the extra. There we go. So we've got starting to look like a bee. Next, let's cut some antennas, and I actually have this one piece of black scrap paper that works perfectly. So I'm just going to cut it in half. It's about 1 inch long, and let's just cut it in half again like this, and I'm going to grab a marker and just curl it a little bit. And figure out where you want them to go. Just about there. Put a dab of glue. And it's going on the inside of the tube. Just remember, like that. Okay. And kind of curl it again. All right, next we're going to make some wings. I've got some white paper and just kind of measure out about to here. I'm gonna just mark it. There's the center. Okay, put this to the side. And you're going to fold the paper in half. And go like this. All right. And you want to kind of look at the middle and go off about 1/2 inch. This way cut. Again, and make one more. You're making like bunny ears. And when you open it, there are the wings. Okay, put some glue. And then center your bee right in there. And now let's put some googly eyes on there. There's one. And one more. There's kind of some extra glue, but good thing this dries clear. And if you want to add a little mouth, it's going to give him a little happy face right in the middle. And there's your bee. Buzz. All right. Let's put him to the side and dry off. The next one is going to be a ladybug. So I have my black painted roll here, but again, you could use black paper and just wrap it around for the color. And you're going to grab some red. Oops, looks like I forgot to grab my red paper. 1 second. All right, got my red paper here, and this one is a lot simpler. We're gonna make 2 half circles for the wings. Just measure out, measure it this way, not to waste paper. About to here. Okay. Cut your paper. And to make sure that they're even, we're going to fold the paper in half. And we're going to cut 2 half circles. If you want to just use the edge here as your flat edge, it makes it a lot easier. Okay. It's a little too round, so. Go. And you just kind of check. It's going to go like this on the 2 sides. It's going to look like that. Okay. Why don't we draw our spots on first? So grab a black marker. And we're gonna give our ladybug a couple spots. I'm gonna give it 4 on each side, so it's going to have 8 spots. And try to have them symmetrical. I'm pretty sure that's how ladybug's spots are. All right, next we're going to glue it on like that. So just right here, the upper corner, glue that down. Okay, and the other side, take a look. Put some glue on the corner. Not the whole thing. And we're going to glue that down just like that. Right, so that's kind of like the top of the ladybug. And we can give it a face and some antennae or antennas. Just cut that in half. Let's see where they're gonna go. I think we're gonna put them right up top on the inside. Put some glue. Glue it right in there. Okay, see it's on the inside. I'm gonna take the other one. A little bit of glue and stick it right on the inside too. And then let's give it some eyes. There we go. Oops. And there's our ladybug. Okay. That's the end of our craft. I hope you all had fun making those recycled paper towel roll bugs, and next week we're going to be painting some rocks. So if you happen to go on a little nature walk this next week and find some nice flat stones, make sure you grab those, and we're gonna have fun. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend. Bye!